Evening viewer, welcome to our FTV English version. Here's a most amazing news for our viewers. Most of us know sloths as the slow-moving, tree-loving creatures that take an entire month to digest a meal and only pop once a week. They might look a bit like small, furry bears, but their closest living relatives are actually anteaters and armadillos. And if that seems like an odd evolutionary match, you are not alone, and there is a fascinating reason why. Today, there are just six species of sloth, but in the past, there were dozens, including some with bottle shaped snouts that munched on ants and others that looked like early versions of armadillos. Many of these ancient sloths did not live in trees at all, they were simply too large. The biggest of them, known as Megatherium, reached the size of modern day Asian elephants and tipped the scales at around 8,000 pounds. They looked like grizzly bears but 5 times larger, said Rachel Narducci, collection manager of vertebrate paleontology at the Florida Museum of Natural History. Narducci co-authored a new study published in Science where researchers analyzed ancient DNA and over 4,000 sloths fossils from 17 different museums to answer a long-standing mystery. How did some sloths get so enormous? It turns out ancient ground sloths came in a wide range of sizes. Some, like the gigantic Megatherium, used long tongues to grab leaves from tall trees, filling a role similar to that of today's giraffes. Others, like the Sasta ground sloths, were more modestly sized but still robust, roaming deserts in what is now the southwestern United States and feasting on cacti. Tree-dwelling sloths, on the other hand, have always been small, a species that spend their entire lives in the treetops average about 14 pounds. Those that split their time between ground and canopy weigh closer to 174 pounds. There is a clear reason for this size limit. Trees can only support so much weight before branches snap. Sloths are not built for quick escapes, so falling is a serious risk. Some modern sloths have survived tumbles from as high as 100 feet, but with Amazonian trees stretching nearly 300 feet tall, evolution favors staying small when you live high off the ground. BNS exclusive report, FTV English, Delhi, Bharat.